So now we'll discuss the character sketches of two characters in particular. That is the Private Welch, obviously, and Corporal Turnbull. So about Private Welch, जैसा कि the chapter starts में उसमें बताया हुआ है कि he was a lanky, stooping, horn. He had rimmed glasses. So basically, it showed that he had these glasses and because he used to read a lot, and he was lanky. He was very thin and so basically this is a physical appearance. So when we talk about the character, he is very arrogant and obnoxious because he thinks he knows everything, and he is very proud of it, and he basically tries to, because he had this condescending thing. He wants people to he thinks like when people don't know things like he does, so he looks on them, he looks down at them, and usko नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करना. So that is very condescending. He's a very condescending person. Also, he takes on everyone from private, from being from a fellow private to the उनके जितने भी instructors होते हैं उनको भी. So basically he used to find an opportunity कि वो जाके किसी को कुछ नीचा दिखा सके. Also कोई अगर दूसरा private है जो is getting appreciated for anything, he used to outshine him. So basically he gave no chance. He wanted to have everything on his own, all the glory वो उसी को मिले और किसी को कोई chance नहीं मिले, which was very wrong. So first of all we know कि वो अपने एक टीचर इंस्ट्रक्टर को इंटरजेक्ट करके उनको ये जताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो शायद उन इंस्ट्रक्टर से ज़्यादा जानता है. So that shows how obnoxious and how arrogant he is. Also, he is very full of energy, and he wants to, and that irritates the other privates, because when they are very very tired, and when they have done with the whole जो भी training sessions उनके दिन में, उसके बाद जब वो थक जाने के बाद भी he wants all of them to engage in some activity or something which is very irritating, basically irritating for others. Also, if someone asks for his help या फिर कुछ जानने की कोशिश या कुछ समझने की कोशिश करने के लिए उससे हेल्प लेने की कभी भी कोशिश करते थे, तो वो 5 मिनट के अंदर भी the person used to lose the track, because he never wanted to help and just show that you know nothing, and उसको नीचा जताना, so which was very wrong. Also, he takes on the Corporal Turnbull, and he kinds of challenges him in a way that you should not take this lecture in this way. You should take this lecture in some other way, the way the other instructors used to teach us, which was very wrong, because Corporal Turnbull was a very senior and a respected person in the army and other people, and he was very brave and courageous, and he was known and he was famous for all those things. So he kind of basically challenged him, or challenged his wits, which was very wrong on his part, wrong, and also it was very derogatory. So he was so basically if we see he was on the other contrary, he was very hardworking also, because he knew he wanted to become a commissioned officer and win a stripe. So he wanted to work. He went lengths to work hard for it, but it didn't turn out so well, because he used to work hard, but he didn't put things in a proper manner, in a good way. So which was wrong on his part. So also when Corporal Turnbull just punishes him, he doesn't get it that he is being punished, and he's being punished, and still he continues with the same attitude of his, which shows that he didn't learn anything from his mistakes. So basically he was a very obnoxious, arrogant, and condescending, and a man full of himself. He thought he knew everything, and in that he was hardworking, but it didn't work out his way, because he didn't use it to do something which, you know, which he can say that he did it for his own for his own development, but he used it to outshine others, which was wrong, which is very wrong. And also he disrespected his teachers, which show that what does he think of himself. And corporate start. The other major character in this chapter is Corporal Turnbull. So if we talk about Corporal Turnbull, he was a very, he was a very brave, courageous soldier. He was a valiant man, and he came all the way back from France. So Dunkirk. So he is here to take a lecture on using the hand grenade, which, he's a very, very respected person among the privates, and very respected army officer who is very brave and very famous, and he is very physically fit and very strong, because the privates used to think, it is said that अगर उनमें nails भी मार दिए जाएंगे तो उनको शायद पता नहीं चलेगा. So he was this strong and this brave soldier. So when he is taking this lecture, he's also a no nonsense man, and because he's very fast, when Private Quelch interjects him, and he tells him that he shouldn't take the lecture in a way he's taking. He should take in some another way, which was very wrong, and he takes in offense, which is also correct, because he is a very respected person. He's a senior, and he knows things better than any other private. So उनको बीच में interject करना भी गलत था. So he was a very no nonsense, fastidious man. So in a way, it also he very wisely, he very wisely punished the private who offended the Private Quelch who offended him, when he gave him the permanent cookhouse duties. So in a way, it shows that you cannot mess with this person. You cannot mess with Corporal Turnbull, because if you go wrong, if you offend him in some way, he'll take it on you, but in a very wise way. So yeah, so that is Corporal Turnbull for you. So that is all about the chapter on the character sketches. And if we talk about the important questions, then the important questions would be the character sketches of Private Quelch and the Corporal Turnbull. Also, the important things, the points will be जहाँ पे Private Quelch interjects his teachers and tells them things which is matlab the way to teach and stuff, and interjects them and badgers them with questions. So that can be an important thing. The episode with the Turnbull is an important thing. So mainly, if you focus on the character sketches and the summary, I think it is enough. It will be enough for you to be well prepared for this chapter. I guess this video helps you. Thank you so much.